Hello everyone. This video we're going to talk about a special device that can split the power from our data. So we know that the power over data is the PoE technology, and the PoE technology has benefited our lives greatly. It can provide us very easy plug-and-play connections and also make our network system more easy to set up. But nowadays, there are more and more devices which aren't able or enabled with PoE features. This means when they connect to a PoE system, all they can receive is the data but not the power. This is because they work in a different voltage from the PoE's regulation. And in this case, for the device's safety, the PoE will not output the power towards the IP device. These devices are usually called non-PoE devices, like our POS machines or all-in-one computers or IoT devices. Some of them are like our PTZ camera. Our PTZ IP camera is a pan-to-zoom camera and has many features, which gives it a requirement of a lot of power consumption. So these devices, if they want to add to a PoE system, it's workable, but we're going to need a special device to separate the power from the data. In this case, then it can just easily add to our PoE system. So this device is called a PoE splitter. A PoE splitter is really simple. When the PoE signal reaches it, it will split the power away from the data and then input it to our IP devices with a separate cable. What I have right here is an outdoor 95 watts PoE splitter. This is our fast cabling special design, and this one really easy. You can see there is a DC output port and a data output port. These are where the power and data can separately provide to our IP device, and this is the PD input port, or the power and data, which the PoE signal will come in from. And this device usually pairs up with a 95 watts PoE injector, a high power injector with a high power splitter. So with this device, we can easily add a non-PoE. We can easily add a non-PoE PTZ camera to our PoE system. This would save us a great time for like looking for power outlets. This all we need to do is use a 12 volts adapter cord to provide the power to our PTZ camera. Other benefits from this outdoor PoE splitter, as you can see, the metal housing will provide it up to rated IP67 waterproof and easily mounting holes here for us to like hang on or screw on walls or even tree branches. And this is a good device for us when we want to set our PoE PTZ camera or non-PoE PTZ camera outdoors. It also has surge protection, and is a really easy plug-and-play device as well, so no configurations needed. So what I'm going to do next is show you guys how to use a 95 watts PoE injector to provide power and let this PoE splitter provide the power and data to our non-PoE PTZ camera. So we have a monitor and an NVR setup right here for us to let you guys see that the non-PoE PTZ camera can work properly. So first of all, we have powered up our PoE injector, and we're going to connect our PoE injector with our NVR. In this case, we will receive our camera's live video feed on our monitor. And then once this is connected, we're going to use a long Ethernet cable to indicate the distance can be very long or far away. And it will go to one end, will go to the injector's output port where the PoE signal will come out, and the other will go to the PoE splitter's PoE input port. So then it will receive the power and data. You can see that the PoE indicator and the power indicator are both lit on, so it means power is successfully within this splitter now. Now what I have to do is connect this 12 volts power cord to our splitter. Another safe thing is these are all safety voltages, so it's okay for us to operate. We still need to be careful although. Now we're going to connect an Ethernet cable to our splitter. So now I will connect our power cord to our PTZ camera. You can see the power has been provided. It's self-diagnosing right now. Then I'll connect the Ethernet cable to it to provide the data. So now everything's connected. All we need to do is wait for the image to show on our screen. Okay, now you can see there's a live video feed on our screen. This means this whole connection is successful. That's a really easy plug-and-play device for us. All right, that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys have any more questions, feel free to leave them at the section below. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye.